Good morning, dears. We have completed question number 1 from work exercise 1.3. Let us begin question number 2. First question, it is given to you 27 plus 5 into 6 in the bracket divided by 3. According to the rule of BODMAS, first of all we have to solve the bracket. So this gives you 27 plus 5 6 30 divided by 3. Or 27 plus 30 divided by 3, that gives you 10, or the final answer is 37. Then number 2, it says 30 divided by 5 into 3 plus 9 minus 4. Now I am writing 30 divided by 5 into 3 plus, within the bracket we have 9 minus 4, so that has to be solved at first. So 9 minus 4 gives you 5. Again 30 divided by 5. Next step we have to solve the division. 30 divided by 5, that is 6 into 3 plus 5, or 18 plus 5, 23 is the answer of question number 2. Number 3, it says 25 plus 27 divided by 2 plus 7 minus 5 into 5. Now we will be solving. First, do not use this sign. This we use only for the equation. So we will be writing 25 plus 27 divided by bracket first. So 7 plus 2, 9 minus 5 into 5. Next step, we have to divide it. 27 divided by 9, that gives you 3 minus 5 into 5. 25 plus 3 minus 25, or 25 minus 25 cancel. So your answer is 3. This is question number 3. Number 4, it says 32 minus 11 minus 42 small divided by small bracket 11 plus 8 into 2 minus 20. Now it gives you 32 minus 11 minus 42 divided by, within the small bracket you have addition, subtraction and multiplication. So first of all we have to multiply. So the next step again, 32 minus 11 minus 42 divided by addition and subtraction. So what we are going to do? We are going to addition first. This is 27 minus 20. Now the brackets are closed. Now 32 minus 11 minus 42 divided by 7. Where was the closing the middle bracket? It is not the middle bracket, is not. Or 32 minus 11 minus 42 divided by 7, that gives you minus 6, or 32 minus 5. So the answer is 27. Final answer is 27 for question number 4. Look at question number 5. It says 7 minus big bracket 12 into 6 plus 13 into 15 divided by minus 3. Okay. Now we'll be solving it. 7 minus 12 into 6 plus 13 into 15 divided by minus 3, that gives you minus 5. 7 minus 12 into 6, 72 plus 13 5 is 65. So minus 65 it is. Or 7 minus 72 minus 65. 7 minus 7, or the answer is 0. Is it? Then question number 6, it says minus 75 minus 24 minus middle bracket 16 minus 5 minus 4 minus 1 to the power bar or it gives you 75 minus 24 minus 16 minus 5 minus 4 minus 1. You have to see only this. It is not minus 4 minus 1. Either you can write it minus 4 plus 1 while removing the bar. Once the bar is removed, just you take bar as a bracket. So before bracket there is a minus sign. What it will be? 4 minus 1. Either you can write it directly minus 3 or you can write it minus 4 plus 1 and the next step minus 3. So here just you take bar as a bracket. So we are removing the bar and then we get minus 4 plus 1 or 75 minus 24 minus 16 minus 5 plus 1, 6 minus 4 or 75 minus 24 minus 16 minus 2. Minus 24 minus 14 or 75 minus 10 or 65 is the answer. Finally, we'll get answer, that is 65. Is it? Look at question number 7. It says 16 minus 8 minus 15 plus 12 divided by 7 minus 5 minus 2 bar, then the brackets are closed. This is for question number 8. 16 minus bracket 8 middle bracket 15 plus 12 divided by 7 minus 5 minus 2. Now as I have told you in the last question, this bar we take as a bracket. So we will be writing it 16 minus 8 minus 15 plus 12 divided by 7 minus 5 minus plus 2. Do not write 5 minus 2 3, then again you will be confused. So better you break it in this way as a bracket. 15 divided by 7 plus 2, 9 minus 5, or 16 minus 8 minus 15 plus 12 divided by 4, or 16 minus 8 minus 15, 12 divided by 4, that is 3. So we'll write 15 plus 3, 16 minus 8 minus 18, or 16 minus 10, or 16 plus 10. So the answer is 26. This is for question number 7. Please write it. Now question number 8, it says 21 divided by 3 of 2 minus 4 plus 5 minus 2 into 16 minus 7. Or we will be solving 21 divided by, within the bracket, 3 of 2. So 3 into 2 minus 4 plus 5 minus 2, 16 minus 7, 9. 21 divided by 6 minus 4 plus 5 minus 2 9s are 18. Or 21 divided by 11 minus 4 minus 18. Or 21 divided by 7 minus 18. Or 3 minus 18. Finally the answer is minus 15. With this we have completed this exercise. Next day will be solved, not exercise, where the chapter is completed. You are requested to go through the chapter once again, and if there is any doubt, you just let me know in the comment box so I can solve your doubts. Okay. Other than this, if there is any problem, any kind of problem, you can ask me. For today, you just leave it up to you. Thank you, dears.